ena yete ne nka dom trotro Ghana fonso akire wonomo adwen no na yedemo ekọ eyensem foforo emu adehye wo Siiru-Balawa nkro bi a wonomo eka bom wo wa west mensimu no ene de wo nyina nso egu won yemu efi se samso bi a wo bridge bi a wo ho no panifo anhwe no ma me ya ma wo mo de a ene emu chemienu fi se nso to na nso ebu afaso ama wona ewa atifi ntime ma na afo na afofo nso ntime nkoho omuni Adom Kasee edinkomoyi
Ebobosome ewa afimpinu ene aduonu mienu mu ena nsu kase bi etoye ewo Siiru ye nam so ema ensamso ana eda Siiru dam no so no ebubu ye kura efri sa abre no manfo a wonom ete Siiru-Balawa ene enkrotu ahodo a ne nyina ewo wa Westminster ni mu no de ahokire kase pa na aba bejai wonom so wonom kire mu a wode won hawi adan aban empen bebre nanso besine ya no enyade se wababen samso atosa sutade no so ama wonum Joy News amani boni Rafik Salam ekohwete bia amanfo no etimu enumu ena Richard Walo ya wo ye assemblyman ewo Siiru electoral area eden sembi eto nanim.
People have to carry their loads back to the other side, Kangba through Bulungin to Pointanga before they are able to access the regional capital, which is several of kilometers away. Unless if they could cross over to the other side, which is about 15 kilometers away from Wa. So as a result of that, farmers are able to lose income because of that. Animals too that used to come to the dam to drink, as a result of this breakage, the dam has overflown its banks and the water level is so low to the extent that if nothing is done about it, it will have a devastating effect on the people.
Enu akire ena omanfo ya wono akasa fa ato wo ho so atoto eniama sebe ya obetumi ayensamso ato tutade no so sebe ya beboa wono akoni abedie nso eden sembi eto ya mane boni no anim.
I was not able to be visiting the farm as I used to do at first, and that actually affected that's the health of my animals, because bringing a veterinary to inject them as I used to do was a very big tax. Sometimes if he even sacrificed to come by, he passed through Vieri, which is a very long way.
We are not constructing the road. After constructing this retaining wall, the road is still lying there. We will still need government assistance to come and construct the road for them.